guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glow video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use let's say this one for reference. I'm trying to pick like a good one. So okay, I'm just going to use this one, it's fine. And then I'm just going to copy and paste that, and on that video you just go to effects and you're going to add in the edge glow effect. You're going to also add in the neon outline effect, and then you're also going to go to filters and you're going to add in the black and white one on top so you can add in colors. And while we're at it, you can also add in the angel effect on top. Adjust it a little bit. Go to media, go to library, and select any color you want. I'm just going to select the, let's say like this blue one. Go to blend mode and select the linear burn. Wait, actually, I'm just going to select color burn for it. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Go to blend mode and then select screen or brighten. It's better if your video is a little bit darker, so just adjust that. And again, you can add in more effect to it, like the angel effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!